channel. It's Briana Nichole. And today's video is going to be on this look right here. And if you want to see how I did that, go ahead and keep watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on my post notifications and all that good stuff like that. Make sure you watch my other videos. And yeah, make sure you follow me on my social networkings as well. So let's go ahead and get into the details and the install. So this hair is from Hurela hair. You guys know I love them. They come through every time, and they make sure that they give me like what I need. They give what is needed. This is 26 inches loose deep hair with some crimps. And yeah, it's 13 by 4 frontal, and it looks so good. The frontal looks amazing. And I'm just in love with this hairstyle that I did. Super cute. So if you want to see how I did it, also, you're not going to see me do the braids because I did it when I wasn't recording, but it's just regular braids. Like, it's just braids. I just parted it and braided it. But you're going to see the install. So yeah, if you want to see that, go ahead and keep watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you want to get this hair, it's in the description box below. Check them out, okay? Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's a whole new day and a whole new style. I thought I was just gonna leave it like that, like I did in the last in the clip before this one, but I added these cute little braids that I've been seeing people do, and it's super cute and it looks so much better. So yeah, like I said, this hair is from Hurela hair, 26 inches, loose deep wave. And I just love it so much. It's just super cute and something different. And I know you guys are tired of me styling black waves the same, so I tried something different. So if you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you see every time I post. All that good stuff like that. And make sure you follow me on my social network. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.